There's one essential step in the home buying process you may not know a whole lot about, and that's pre-approval. In this video, I'm going to quickly cover what it is and why it's so important right now. Hey, I'm Choe at OneRate NMLS 1818728. We're a mortgage broker out of Maryland, licensed in Washington, D.C., Maryland, and Virginia, and Florida. And you can find more information about OneRate at onerate.com. If you're new to the channel, we'd really appreciate your support. If you subscribe, turn on notifications, and like the videos. And if you'd like to learn more about our services, download our free homebuyers guide down below or fill out a short questionnaire at onerate.com/ratequote for a free rate quote. So what's a pre-approval? Pre-approval is like getting a green light from a lender. It lets you know how much they're willing to let you borrow for a home. To determine that number, a lender looks at your financial history. According to Realtor.com, these are some of the documents a lender may ask you during this process. W-2s from the last 2 years, tax returns from the last 2 years, pay stubs from the last 30 days, bank statements from the last 60 days, investment account statements if applicable, and 2 years of history where you lived. Now the result, you'll get a pre-approval letter that's showing you how much you can borrow and what you can borrow. Keep in mind that any changes in your finances can affect your pre-approval status. So after you receive your letter, avoid switching jobs, applying for new credit cards or other loans, or taking out large sums of money from your savings. So how is it going to help you determine your borrowing power? Well, this year, home prices are expected to rise in most places and mortgage rates are still showing some volatility. So since affordability is still tight, it's a good idea to talk to a lender about your home loan options and how today's changing mortgage rates will impact your future mortgage payments. Now, the pre-approval process is the perfect time for that because it determines the maximum amount you can borrow. Pre-approval also helps you figure out your own budget. You should use this information to tailor your home search to what you're actually comfortable with as far as a monthly mortgage payment. That way, you don't fall in love with a house that's out of your comfort zone. Now, how's it going to help you stand out during the buying process? Well, once you find a home you want to put an offer on, pre-approval has another big perk. It only makes your offer stronger. It shows sellers you've already undergone a credit and financial check. When a seller sees you as a serious buyer, they may be more attracted to your offer because it seems more likely to go through. As Greg McBride, Chief Financial Analyst at Bankrate says, pre-approval carries more weight because it means lenders have actually done more than a cursory review of your credit and your finances, but have reviewed your pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. A pre-approval means you've cleared the hurdles necessary to be approved for a mortgage up to a certain dollar amount. So what's the bottom line? The bottom line is you're planning on buying a home, getting pre-approved for a mortgage should be one of the very first things on your to-do list. Not only will it give you a better understanding of your borrowing power, it's going to put you in the best position possible to make a strong offer when you're finding a home you love. So connect with a trusted lender in your area to learn more. Now, if this video helps you in any way, help us with the YouTube algorithm by subscribing, liking the video, and sharing it with your friends and family who's looking to ever buy a home. So we appreciate you. Have a blessed day.